How's it going, everyone? Chris with Hobby Cantina here. So I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm actually going to my first hobby shop here in the state of Utah. So I'm going to show you the outside, the name of it and everything right now. And then we're going to go inside and I'm just going to kind of browse around. Maybe I'll talk a little bit. Maybe I won't. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to go in this shop right now. It's the closest shop to me within 45 minutes. They've got some good reviews and yeah, check this out. All right, so this hobby shop, it's in Roy, Utah. Yeah, I mean, this place is really cool. I just went in and bought some stuff. So let's go ahead and go in right now. And everyone was real cool. I just asked them if I could film, you know. I don't want to just randomly just start filming, but Adrenaline RC Hobbies. Here we go. All right, so they got all sorts of tools up in here. Let's see what we got. Traxxas parts. More traxxas parts. We got the Arma. Oh, there's that Arma crap right there. That one's cool. I still want to pick up one of these Pro Motos as well. Those are pretty awesome. You got your MT10. Somebody was telling me to get one of these. So maybe we'll come back and we'll get one. Yeah, I might actually do that. This might be a next buy for sure. What else have we got over here? And we got that. Let's see, the LMT. Very nice. Yeah, this shop's awesome. What's this guy right here? This one's cool. Oh, yeah. This thing's solid. Flex on. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have anything I'm showing right now. Here's that brushless. Is this that brushless Bigfoot? This is another one that's pretty cool. Somebody else was commenting on that. Let's see what else. We got a bunch of parts over here. More parts over there. But yeah. Ooh, there's a good one right there. The TR6, TRX4. Pretty sure we've got that FMS one of that. What else? We got some. Ooh, here's the red count. Anybody got the new Scout, the small one? I need to pick one of those up too. That new Scout, that I think it's 1/18 scale. That thing's pretty cool. Enduro, the Night Runner. Oh, here we go. This is cool. Then we got another one. And of course, we got your SCX10 Base Camp Builder's Kit. After I get down with this Tamiya, this lunchbox that I've been working on, I might pick one of those up. Plenty of tires and stuff over here. What else we got? All right. Yeah, this is a really cool shop. I wish it was closer, though. I don't have anything near me. What else is this? Oh, nice. There we go. Some nice brass wheels here. All sorts of parts. Fury Tech. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool chassis. I actually remember seeing one of those. Somebody was talking about one of those too. But yeah, got some Draft Mini Z's. See if they got it. What do they got? They got a bunch of cool rear-wheel drive ones. What's this one? Is that the NSX? Oh, yeah. It's a cool color. It's a real cool color. Well, let's see what else we can find. Or now I might have to pick something up. What else we got? Oh, what do we got up here? We got all the Axials, SCX24. There's the new base camp right there. We just picked this one up, did a video on that one. What else we got? Bunch more Axials. You got your TRX 4Ms all up here. It's a good price. I don't know. What else we got? We got the traxxas. Slash. Oh, yeah. Got that bandit. Heck yeah. Yeah, they got a lot of good stuff here. A lot of good stuff. Is this that one that just... Is this that one that somebody was commenting on? I think somebody was telling me about this. I'm not sure if it was that one, though. Oh, nice. There we go. MK2. Yeah. Nice. And look at all these drift ones. So the person that was asking about the drift car, I will pick up one. I just have Mini Z's. And the Mini Z is kind of... I do have an MK2, but the Mini Z is basically what I've just been kind of messing around with. Oh yeah, here's the, here, check these out. But I will be getting one soon. I added that to my list. So I got you on that. I will pick up a drift one. There we go. Multifunction control unit. Here's the Wild Willie 2. Definitely going to have to get one of these soon. But yeah, Globe liner. This one's cool. Yeah, look at the size of this one. This one's freaking awesome. Yeah. Yeah, that one's real cool. But yeah, it's got Mazda Roadster, Unimog. What else we got up
Yeah, there's some stuff.
This is the BTO1 chassis. Man, they got some good ones up in here. That's cool. Team Associated in. Another good one. Man. I don't know what kit to do next. Let me know if you have any ideas of a kit to do next. I just did that lunchbox and I got to paint it and I'll be done with that one. I decided on painting it. So, but yeah, that was pretty much it. I mean, they have some other stuff around here. They got boats. They got some big, huge boats up here. All sorts of airplanes on this hanging from the sky, and all of it is for sale. But that's going to do it for this one. I'm just kind of testing this out. All right. Well, just got done in that hobby shop. That place was really awesome. All right. Well, that's going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know if you are in the Utah area or anywhere around there. And if you know of a shop you want me to go to, I'll go check out a hobby shop and film it and post it. I need to go to more places like this and just kind of get involved. Right now, I needed a battery for that lunchbox, a charger for it. And unfortunately, they did not have the connector, but they soldered and made one for me. So I was like, okay, awesome. Thank you guys for doing that. So shout out to them for doing that. That really helped me out. I picked up a new charger and then I got some paint. So yeah, I mean, those guys, they helped out, super friendly in there. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, just leave that in the comments below. And thank you for watching Hobby Cantina. I hope you did enjoy this one. And yeah, I'll see you out there. All right. Well, before I end the video, I just wanted to show you exactly what I ended up picking up at the hobby store. I picked up this charger, and then I picked up this connector, and then I picked up this gold paint. So I have the black edition Tamiya Lunchbox. This is the battery that I got, and this connector will then, it will charge on that. And then I got this paint for it, and I've got some other like primers and stuff like that. But I got all that stuff, and the whole reason I went there was because originally this video is supposed to be the Tamiya Lunchbox, but unfortunately I thought that I had the right plug and I didn't, so I had to go to the store and get all that. But now we're good to go. So look out for that next video after this one will be that. And then I think we've got the Arma Mojave Grom, the brushless one. So yeah, thanks for watching.